Hey there everybody. Today's video is going to show you how to create a custom assignment for your students in Smartmusic. Let's get right to the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Band and Orchestra and we're going to bring up a piece of music. Let's bring up Android Attack and I'm going to click on the Assign button. At the top of the page, I'm going to click on Custom Assignment. I can fill in all the criteria that I would like. I'm going to hit the Next button. At the bottom of the page is where we get to customize what section of the music we would like our students to work on. So in this piece, I'm going to say that bar 17, beat 1, through bar 27, beat 1. Now once I've decided that this is the section I want my students to work on, then I click on the Next button. I need to add my rubric for my grading, a random point total. You can put in whatever you would like. The Next button in the right hand corner, and yes, I would like to assign this now. Then I go up to the drop-down box. I choose the class that I would like to receive this assignment. I can choose when it's due and if I allow a late submission. Once I have all this criteria decided, then I click the Next button. I hope you found the information in the video today helpful. In the comments below, if there's another Smartmusic issue you're having trouble with that you would like me to create a tutorial on, please put that down in the comments. I would be happy to make that video or answer any questions from you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. That way you'll get all of my new videos as they come out. As always, thanks again for watching and I'll see you in my next video.